So what he's doing? He's carving something.
Yeah, he cuts the stone as a shape it as a hammer. For example, he make it the form of a vase. This is the first step for a vase. This is the beginning of the vase. So
Yeah.
if you little bit, you want to try to hold it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's heavy.
It's heavy.
Really heavy.
You want to try?
It's heavy, Suzanne.
I want to help you. It's heavy. So after we make it this shape, we have to protect it from outside because we need to make a hole. So we have to wrap it by special wrap from linen and blue and Egyptian cotton. After that, we put it in the sun for 3 days to dry to be strong. After that, we put it under the ground here, and we use a special handle drill, same technique like ancient time. Go ahead. Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
You wanna try?
It's okay.
Sure.
Sure.
You wanna try?
No.
You want to try?
So after that, he take the material off again by still hammer because we don't need it. We just put it to protect the base. After that, he start to use different valves to polish it to make it hard and medium and soft.
Oh.
Stop. Thank you. So and here we use a piece from sandstone. We call it pumice. You know sandstone?
Yeah.
To polish it again to make it more soft and smooth. Box. It's more soft and smooth.
Yeah. Oh, it's nice.
So, the last step here, we put it in the oven, like that one, in the very high degrees, like 85 for 20 minutes. Then we wax it by the beeswax. Why? To bring out the metal like that. Here, the final products for the vase looks under the light, translucent under the light. So, this one is handmade vase. The handmade vase take from 7 days until 10 days to be done. You remember the beginning of the vase? Can you hold this one now?
Oh.
It's much light now.
Yeah, it's really
So,
light.
this one is handmade vase. The handmade vase take from 7 days until 10 days to be done. And this one here, we call it faster alabaster because it's polished by machine. That's why it's so shiny. And this one is still heavy than the handmade one. This one take just 3 or 4 hours to be done. Maximum 5 hours to be done. That's why it's so heavy. Now, you know the difference between the handmade one and the from Mr. Pablo Picasso.
Hola.
Hola.
Hola, hola, حبيبي.
So, here, firstly, he use a pen or a pencil to make the lines out like that. After that, he start to use different scissors and make it by himself, same technique like ancient time. Then he start to carve it by the handmade. He carved it high relief to second relief. After he finished the carve it, he fills them with mineral color. For example, this is red iron oxide. We bring it this color from the mountain. This is the natural color. We bring it from the mountain. Then we mold it together with white, for example, the malachite. Then we put it in the sun for 7 days to dry. Then it will be like waterproof, never change. Okay? You have any questions?
What is that?
You have any questions?
No.
Okay. Thanks for attention. Follow me inside the place.